Says the challenge lock unlocked by Cajun Lock Pick. Here's the key, the Yale format. Like maybe 3-in-1 for binding. Tighten this up a little bit. I think that was 6. I think there's 6 pins in here. 3 again, 4's binding. And 5. Got a little bit of a false set. There's 1. 2 I think is good. 3. A little bit more false set. And then tap 5 and there we go. Alright, let's get this gutted. Engraving on there, unlocked. Cajun Lock Pick. This follower is getting a little chewed up. I don't have a problem getting them on using this follower. It's just getting them off sometimes. Probably should have left that locked up. I'll just go ahead and use the key. Don't know if this needs a shim, but I always like to shim these challenge locks just in case. I can get it in there. All right, there we go. So 6 pins. Some trenches there. Spool pin on 1. Double spool. Whoops, on 2. Or no, that was 3. I'm sorry. Another spool pin on 5 and on 6. It'd be a deep false set if you overset that one. We got a serrated gin type pin on one, funky looking pin on two, tapered or standard, lots of serrations on that. Spring is in the way. Go ahead and remove it. Nice pins here for sure. Big spool head on number 6. Come on out of there. So yeah, very nice pins. These springs are going to be in my way. Reassembling it, I usually don't take springs out of challenge locks because see, some are different. Some might have different tensions, might be in specific chambers, so I usually don't take the springs out. The rest of them are not going to be in the way, so I'm going to leave those in. Very nice pins, very fun lock. I think 6 almost had to be preset with that big spool head on it. Yeah, very nice Cajun Lock Pick. And thank you to Lock Chuck for sending this over. It was a very fun lock.